In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to fix Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. Stick with me till the end to know exactly how you can fix your problem. Now, many of you upload a profile picture by tapping on this edit profile and then you tap on this edit picture. Now, instead of doing that, if that is not working for you, what you can do is come to this profile section again and tap and hold your profile picture from here. After you hold it for a few seconds, you can see that a pop-up menu will open up. From here, you can easily tap on new profile picture and pick any picture that you want. And by alone doing that, you should be able to upload and change your profile picture. Now, if it is still not working, there are other few things that you can do. You can try to update your app of Instagram, open up your Play Store, and then search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update your app. Updating apps helps to fix similar kinds of issues that you are facing. Now, the last thing that you can try out is you can simply tap and hold the app of Instagram and open up app info. From your settings page, you can tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. If you're using an iOS, you can offload your app of Instagram. Now, by doing this, you'll be logged out of your Instagram account and you'll again need to type in your credentials and log in. And after you do that, you'll be able to easily change your profile picture on your Instagram account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.